Okay, so I am finally back for another video. Hello everybody, I know I've been gone for a while. School or work and school. Anyway, I'm back. We have an unboxing of sorts. I got some news, aquascaping stuff, and other stuff from Aquarium Co-op. So I'll put all the links for these things down in the description and whatnot. But yeah, let's get into our little unboxing here. I'm just going to keep my address covered. Whoop, look at that. So there should be some plants in here. I ordered shrimp caves, some glue. I think that's it, but we will find out here in a second. So right off the bat, we have a little thank you for ordering here. Are you happy with your purchase? Yes or no? This is new for me. Have not seen one of these. What to expect with plants. So it gives you a little rundown here. Let's see. Your plants have been grown out of the water at a farm. We've already started the process of converting them to your underwater form for you, or their underwater form for you. Your plants may brown, melt, or become discolored. This is normal and part of the natural transition process. Be on the lookout for new growth. So that is cool, because a lot of people don't know when they get plants that they are not submerged grown, they're immersed grown, which means they're not fully in the water when they grow them. So that's cool. It also says plant roots are often fed during the growth process with fertilizers. If you find any of these little yellow or orange pellets at the bottom of your plant, just toss them before planting. To provide root feeding plants with more nutrients, use easy root tabs, which I think I have root tabs in here. That's one of Aquarium Co-op's things. They're little capsules with tabs, so they're in the back, so I'll show you. And then it also says we use heat packs. We use heat packs and heat reflecting liners based on the temperature of where you live. The heat packs service to keep your plants from freezing during transit, so they arrive in the best possible shape. Your liner can be reused, bring it to your local fish store, transport, frozen foods, blah, stuff like that. I have seen those before. Basically, it's just a big Ziploc with, like, silver in the middle. Then we got Corey's signature on here now, so that's interesting. Then we got a little Murphy here. Little Murphy says, don't forget to check your packaging papers for small items. So they'll often put, like, stickers and stuff in here, so double check those. I'm just gonna actually pull mine out. I think it's in the thing. We'll check though. And then it just says, are you happy with your purchase? Yes. Being that we're a small company, we rely on reviews and word of mouth from our customers. If you have a good experience, please tell us. Please tell your friends and leave a review on the website. And then it says, no. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If there's a problem with your order, please send us an email at shipping@aquariumco.com with your order number, description of the problem, and a photo if you can. We'll get taken promptly. I've done both of these. I've left reviews and emailed them. Usually if I'm emailing them, it's a simple thing though. But I've left reviews, and it has nothing to do with them, but I've given things like 1 star because it just didn't work for me. And then I got an email from Candy, who, if you don't know Candy, she's the customer service guru over at the co-op. And she handles all that, and she's like, is there anything we can do to make it better? And I'm just like, no, the product didn't work for me. But they do reach out to you. So here we got our packing slip here. That's all the stuff I ordered on our slip. This is also new. It's a nice little sticker now instead of just a sheet. So you can't really read that, but that's all the stuff I got. So check our packaging here for stickers. Don't mind the noise. I don't think there's one in this one. Nope. Check this one. Sometimes they're in these, sometimes they're not. Nope. Okay. So first thing out of the bag is a plant. It is Ammannia Gracilis. I don't know. That's it right there. They always come in little Ziplocs here, so let's open her up and see what they look like. I'll also try and put some pictures of these on the screen, either from their website or from Google. If this is the one I'm thinking of, it's like a green plant with red tips, I think. Yes, like a purpley red hue. Nice stem plant here. It's got a nice little, there we go. Nice picture. That's a nice looking plant. Probably should have gotten it. Did I get one of these? I can't remember. But yeah, it looks cool. That'll be going in our community tank because we're rescaping it. For now, though, I am going to put them back in these bags. These are like, I don't know, burlappy paper, so it keeps them nice and wet. I'll just put that back in there and then stick it back in this little Ziploc here. Now, I've got multiple plants from the co-op. If you guys have watched other videos, I've all my plants except for a handful. My floaters are the only thing that didn't come from the co-op. So, and I know they always come in good. We've got some Pogostemus octopus or Stelis, whatever the heck it's called. It's the octopus plant. This is one of John and Katie Tropical Flavor ones. I had some of this, but my mollies ate it. So, you know, just beware if you have mollies, they might eat your plants. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it was just dying and decaying, so they ate it. But this is another nice, tall one. This is going to go in my 6-gallon. Because we are rescaping the 6-gallon as well. And we're not really rescaping the community tank, we're just giving it a little update. Because it is going on 7 months now. So this is what this looks like so far. Another nice leafy plant. It's looking nice and tall. This is going to go in the 6-gallon because it'll just fill in the areas that I'm lacking in that tank, which is a lot because the red root floaters have taken over so much. So that's a nice, cool little plant. It's like a grassy kind of plant. Hoping it does well in there. The driftwood that we got is also going in the community tank, which you should have seen by now. Depending on how I edit this, you may not have, but you know, another one back in the bag. And I just love how they package their plants. I love the little burlappy things and that they put them in individual Ziplocs. They used to, a long time ago, used to use just wet paper towels. Now this is another one I've also had before. This is water Sprite, which to me kind of looks like parsley, but it grows under the water. This one looks like a baby. This one looks tiny, but it'll fill out. I have faith. Let's open this up. Now I don't want to take it out all the way. Well, double one. This one is also delicate with shipping, so sometimes it'll come in and they'll be, you know, a little bent and droopy, but they bounce back. So anyone who loves food knows why I think this looks like parsley. It just, to me, looks like a parsley plant. So there is our water Sprite. There's a little bend here, right here in the stem, but that should spring back. I don't think there'll be any problems with it. And like I said, if there's a problem with anything, you just shoot Candy an email, and they're usually pretty good, and we'll get you replacements, no problem. And as you can see, these things are super long, because this goes and goes and goes. I'm going to try and package this up a little more delicately so I don't break it anymore. I'm probably, for now, just going to throw these in the tank and let them sit. Because I don't think I'll have the time to actually rescape today. There we go. I'll probably end up doing escape tomorrow or whatever. But you guys will see the finished thing, and I'll probably rescape with you guys on camera. Now, oh yes, I ordered lots of Java moss. Now, I ordered 3. Well, not a lot, but 3. The co-op does their Java moss a little differently than I've seen from other people. They put theirs in like a mat, and here's the paper towel. So we're back to paper towel for these. So they come paper towel. I think I haven't seen Java moss on their website in a while, so it's kind of nice that they have it back in. I was just getting it off random places on Amazon, but then you get it and it's not really Java moss and whatnot. So I'm glad the co-op has it again. But this is what it looks like, and they give it to you on this neat little mesh here. So it's cool because you can just take this mesh and kind of like wrap it around the rock or whatever you're putting it on. Like you put a couple dabs of crazy glue and you'll be fine. You can take it off if you want. I think for what I'm doing, I'm going to leave it on the mat and just mold the mat to the drift. So that's one piece there. I'm sorry to whoever packaged this. I'm probably giving you apoplexy right now because this is in no way going to be packed the way you had it. And who knows, maybe Corey picked the order. So that was one. The other 2 should look the same. I just want to check them real quick. But that moss looked nice. I am mildly obsessed with their Christmas moss bridges and floating Christmas balls, though. If you want low maintenance moss and you just throw in the tank and forget, you definitely can get some of those. So here's another nice. This one's nice and full. Another mat. As you can see, it's growing off the mat there. So this one will probably go on the driftwood. I think I'll be taking the one off for. I got the shrimp caves in this order, so I want to put a little moss in the shrimp caves and let that grow in. I'm probably going to dismember one of these for that. Let's see what this last one here looks like. Again, I'm not guessing there's going to be any problems with this. They also did this with some other mosses. They had peacock moss or fiery moss or something at one point. They did it with that as well. And this one, another nice looking healthy one there. Nice green color. But the reason I'm getting Java moss is, for some reason, all the Java moss in my community tank just kind of dropped dead. Not really sure what happened to it. It's weird. Trying to get it so that it stays wet. Okay. You know, we're not going to have to put those in right away, so we'll just leave them out. Let's see. We have some money wort here, which kind of looks like the Bacopa I have, but it's slightly different. I think these have different shaped leaves. But I got this because I want some more background stuff in the community tank. Right now it's a lot of small nubiuses and stuff that doesn't get super tall. But this to me looks like a nice healthy stem plant. So that's neato. Nice root system there, I can see already starting. This should do nicely. I don't know what this looks like when it's submerged grown fully, but it looks like it's to be a nice healthy one. So that's neato. It is nice that I can buy plants and stuff again now that I'm back to work. It killed me that I wasn't able to keep buying. Well, didn't kill my bank account, but it killed me that I couldn't keep buying more stuff for fish tanks. I need more tanks though for my guppy breeding. Oh yes, I have one more plant. I believe this should be it plant-wise. I got a dwarf chainsword. Not sure if I want to put this in the community or in the Beta Sorority tank. But we will find out. Also, speaking of the Beta Sorority tank, those that watch the live stream I do with Ed on Fridays will know that they died. They all ended up dying from something. I'm convinced it was a genetic liver issue now, based on my research on dropsy and whatnot. So this is the dwarf chainsword. It's basically just a small sword that, you know, it's a nice little ground grabber. So that's what that looks like. I see a nice root there. This looks like it was submerged grown, because normally swords are more lanky or wider in their bladage. So for now, these are probably just gonna, like I said, go in a tub until I'm ready to actually escape. For those that don't know, you could just leave them in the little, these things. You can just leave them in the pots and just throw them in your tanks until you're ready to plant them, and they'll do fine. So nothing in here. Nope. Ah, we got a new sticker. We got a Ranchu goldfish sticker, I think. Yes, that's cool. I do like their decals. I have them on my car, and they've been holding up through rain, snow, whatever. And I got 2 of these shrimp caves. You guys have probably seen these before, but they are little hidey holes for your shrimp. I got these because I have some cherries and some Bloody Mary, or I have some fire reds and Bloody Marys in a tank with some guppies, and it was supposed to be a shrimp tank, but it ended up being a guppy coal tank. So that's what it looks like. It's small here. This is a candle lid for reference, so a little bit smaller than a candle lid. But this, I'm going to put the moss on this. I'm going to break some off and stick it on and let that go in the tank. That way they have a nice little hidey hole they can go in and out of. And I also got one for my 6-gallon. They kind of have a hidey hole in the Star Wars decor in it, but I figured just give them an extra hidey hole. They're a mono shrimp, so I can't breed them in freshwater anyway, but I figure maybe I can release their stress level a little bit, or I'll hold on to them for another tank, because I do want to put shrimp in another tank at some point, but I'm worried the fish will eat them. And then we just got some super glue. Corey sells super glue on the website. I don't know if it's any special kind. I think it's just super glue. But he specifically sells this one for plants and stuff, so you can glue your nubices and whatnot together. I've gotten super glue, Gorilla Glue, Crazy Glue. It all works the same, but I just got these because it was convenient and I knew it would get here super quick. And then these are the root tabs that I was mentioning before. I only get the 20s and I just use them as need be. I think I replace them like every 4. It says every 3 to 4 months on the packaging. I think I usually err on like 3-ish months. No, I think I have an open one. Or I had an open one. I was going to show you guys what they look like. Now here they are. So here's my open package. I think I bought some of these back in April and I still have this package. I mostly use this for the cribs and whatnot, but this is what they look like. It looks like a pill. Like a nice horse pill you swallow when you're sick. Basically just take this, stick it down in your substrate. I would suggest burying it a little bit because I've noticed that some will float up depending on the substrate. Like when I put it in regular gravel, mine are floating to the top. So now I just bury them. If you have to, put some decor on top. But yeah, that was the unboxing for this stuff. There'll be a video for, you know, the whole putting up together of the tank and updating the scapes and whatnot. And I've also got some wild bettas coming, so that will be another unboxing video for the new sorority setup. And yeah, I'm gonna go get all this stuff in water, and then I'll probably be rescaping tomorrow, but you guys won't see the video because I failed to edit it. After this comes out, though, I'll have already been on KT Tropical's live stream. The reason I'm doing the rescape or updating the escape is because I'm going to be on the members only stream thingy that KT Tropicals is doing now, where they feature members and whatnot, so you can show off your fish rooms. And I was like, I need to pretty up these tanks before I go on there. So, you know, let's buy $150 worth of plants. So as always, thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you feel so inclined to share it. Remember, I do stream on Fridays with Chattanooga Ed at 4 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be more like 4:05, 4:10ish though, because I get home from work at 3 and I'm just beat and need a little breather. But you got those to look forward to. Like I mentioned earlier, I will be on KT Tropical's members only stream, which I believe is 7:30 on Thursday. So it's a little bit before the regular stream. It goes about an hour-ish, depending on how much we talk about fish and stuff. So if you guys are a member on KT Tropicals, come hang out with us. That'd be super fun. Really looking forward to talking to John Leese about fish and tanks and stuff. I did comment back for the winners of the Fiberbite thing that I did in a couple videos ago. So those people have already been contacted, and some have already told me they got their stuff. If you're an Anabanto winner, your stuff should be coming to you soon. I've messaged our sponsors and everything. I know Lisa wanted to contact people, like get what they wanted, an idea of what they wanted from the extreme stuff. So she should be contacting you soon. I've already sent out Fiberbites to the people that won them, so they should be getting them as well. I gave Diego multiple aquariums the list of addresses and stuff, so he should be getting your plants to you soon. Guppy Guru should be sending out his thing to our grand prize winner, and then Fishing Fever and Ed will probably be getting their stuff out soon too. So yeah, again, just thank you guys for hanging out in the video. The aquascaping thing will probably come out sometime next week. I'm probably going to shoot that tomorrow. Well, it'll be today by the time this goes up, but I'll do the shooting of that on Wednesday or Thursday. Before that, I actually ordered more nubias today for that, so I want to add some to the driftwood. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.